Namaste sir, I'm Seliada from Kendriya Vidyalaya IISc Bengaluru. It's really been a hard time for all of us during this pandemic, especially students. It was really difficult for me to cope up with my subjects, especially maths and science. At this point, I found Kumar sir's online video classes in YouTube, which helped me a lot to tackle my problem with maths and science. So your explanation has made the things simpler to understand. And your assignment questions at the end of the session helped me to revise my topics. Your sample papers in your website have also helped me a lot to practice for my examinations. I really thank you, sir, for your great initiative, and I hope you keep uploading videos like this, sir. Thanks a lot, Kumaraswamy, sir.
Good morning. My name is Khushbu Naik. I am a student of grade 10th of Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Faridabad that comes under Gurugram region. I am really thankful to Kumaraswamy sir for his painstaking efforts to create such brilliant maths videos that are really very beneficial to watch. Our class teacher, Mrs. Sindhu Batra ma'am, frequently posts his videos and test papers in our group. I often watch them whenever I have any doubt in maths. Those are very beneficial and very helpful in clearing my doubts. So I thank Kumaraswamy sir wholeheartedly for his efforts and endeavor to help each and every student. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ruth Agnihotri and I am a student of grade 10. I study in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Faridabad and my Vidyalaya comes under the Gurugram region. Our class teacher Indu Batra ma'am first introduced Kumaraswamy sir's videos to us. Sir's videos were really very helpful for me. The way sir teaches is really very interesting and it helps us to understand even the most complex topics in a very easy manner. The way sir taught me helped me to retain everything that I studied. I would recommend all class 10 students to watch sir's videos so that they are easily able to understand all topics of mathematics as well as physics. During this COVID-19 pandemic, when we aren't able to go for any coaching classes or for any extra classes, sir's videos have proved to be as good as coaching. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Nikhil. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 5 Jaipur. I am in class 9 in the academic year of 2020 and 21. I want to express my gratitude towards our lovely teacher Kumaraswamy sir and the efforts they have taken to educating us in the present scenario due to which lockdown sudden imposed and schools are shut down. So our classes are also going online, in which you are very helpful as a teacher because you provide a lot of study material to us by the source of links and videos. Your videos are so amazing and beautifully designed and very helpful to us. Like RoboCompass video is very helpful in the chapter of construction, and the revision test videos are very helpful in the chapter and also other purpose. And in the last, very helpful sir for your efforts and your helpfulness. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhumika NR of class 10th of Kendriya Vidyalaya Hassan of Bangalore region. In this COVID pandemic, right from the start, it has been really tough for me to cope up with my studies. Especially, I was feeling math is tough because we didn't have a proper guidance at the initial stage. But then, when I started to follow Kumar sir's video, I just couldn't believe that maths could be so fun. His teaching made the concepts simpler and crystal clear. I'm really very thankful to him that he makes such an amazing video about different subjects, both for class 9th and 10th, maths and science, that it has just been very easy for me to do maths right from the start. As maths cannot come in a day, right from the start, following his videos did wonders in my studies. I didn't feel maths was so easy that through online classes. But he just proved this wrong. His videos were so amazing and efficient. The efforts he took behind the video was just worthless. So I really thank him for all these wonderful sources which he provided. Yeah, one more thing is when he taught constructions or any topic related to geometry, he used sources like GeoGebra and RoboCompass. RoboCompass is a thing where you can actually go see the construction, like you can visualize the constructions as if it were real. There even you can do constructions. So that helped really well, because I never knew of such things, that maths could be visualized through animations as well, that where you can do it on your own. So thank you so much for making us aware of it. And GeoGebra is a place where you can see different concepts of triangles or trigonometry as well, where you can see things and you can do it on your own. You can experiment. If for example, if the triangle is kept in such a way, how will the other triangle look if the criteria is of similarity? So he made things easy for us to understand through different animations and visualizations. His PowerPoint presentations were just amazing, and I'm just speechless about it. And one more is his practice papers and study materials. Practice papers just helped me like anything. It made us ready for every other test which are going to come further. Because as the syllabus is done, his practice papers help me to see where I stand. And that's very important before your exams, to see where you stand and where are you weak and which are your strengths. So his practice papers contained, I think, around more than hundreds of questions to make the concept more clear. He has given questions in such a way that there couldn't be any other question left regarding this chapter at this level. So of course, when you see that you are able to do a lot of questions of different varieties, it makes you strong day by day and you feel more confident. So that's what happened with me. I could do many different types of questions with his videos and his study materials. So his study materials gave a brief note about every concept that is there at the text. So his study material can also be taken for revision before any exam, for better understanding and for easy revision. So at last, I would just like to say, or I would like to thank him with my heart, wholeheartedly, that thank you so much for providing such a wonderful sources and being such a wonderful teacher who made things easy and clear for everyone. It's not just me, but thousands of children around the world have been helped by your videos. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, I am Vedika from Kendriya Vidyalaya Ahmedabad Kent, studying in 12th. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher always inspires. This quote has been given by William Arthur Ward. For me, Kumaraswamy sir has always been a great teacher. I've never seen a teacher like Kumaraswamy sir in my life. The way he teaches is really interactive and understandable by students. I have seen Kumaraswamy sir working hard for us. I have been using sir's website since my class 9th. Sir has an extremely good material on his website. Since my class 9, I have used sir's website for my practice. Sir has also provided us sample papers on his website, which are very helpful and effective. In my class 10, sir's sample paper has helped me a lot. I cleared my class 10th board exam with scoring well in mathematics. This is all because of sir's determination towards us. And also sir has uploaded minimum level learning material for those who are unable to score well. Sir sees into every student that if she or he can score very well. I feel really grateful and proud to be sir's student. I am very blessed to have such a teacher in my life. Sir, I thank you so much for being always there and clarifying my doubts. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. I am Aditya Singh from Kendriya Vidyalaya Diffu, studying in class 10th from Guwahati region. Sir, I don't know how to thank you, but literally I thanking you from the depth of my heart. Sir, मैं समझता था कि जो कंस्ट्रक्शनल चैप्टर है वो एक प्रैक्टिकल चैप्टर है जिसे हम प्रैक्टिकली समझ सकते हैं. इट्स इम्पॉसिबल टू अंडरस्टैंड थ्रू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. बट जब मैंने यूट्यूब में सर्च किया, क्योंकि अभी तो कोरोना एपिडेमिक के चलते हमारी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन ही लग रही है, तो मैं एक लाइव क्लासेस की आदत है, तो उस चीज़ से हम पढ़े हैं कि हम ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में अंडरस्टैंडिंग जो हम अंडरस्टैंड करते थे ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में, उस ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में हमसे थोड़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो रही है समझने में. तो इसलिए जब मैंने यूट्यूब में सर्च किया कि इस चैप्टर्स को कैसे समझाया जाए, तो कई वीडियोस तो मैंने देखे जिसमें बहुत सी चीज़ें मिसेस थी जो मतलब होनी चाहिए वो चीज़ नहीं बता पाते, या तो हम उस चीज़ से इंटरेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था मैं. तो लेकिन सर जब आपकी वीडियोस मैंने देखी सर, जेन्युइनली मैं बोलूँगा मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे. एक लाइव क्लासेस की तरह फीलिंग आ रही थी. प्लस आप इतने काम तरीके से इन स्लो प्रोसेस में समझाते हो ना सर कि अगर ना भी कुछ एक दो लाइन समझ में ना भी आए ना, तो वो आगे जो आप कंटिन्यू रखते हो उसमें क्लियर आ जाती है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है सर. और आप जो स्टेप वाइज प्रोसेस आप सॉल्यूशन लिखवाते हैं, बिकॉज बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम में यही इंपॉर्टेंट रखती है, क्योंकि हमारे जो स्टेप मार्किंग है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कहीं के अगर सॉल्यूशन करेक्ट भी ना हो तो स्टेप मार्किंग में हमें बहुत मार्क्स मिलती है. तो बोर्ड एग्ज़ाम के थ्रू से आपकी वीडियो सर मुझे बहुत हेल्पफुल लगी सर. प्लस आपकी एक्सप्लेनेशन इज़ वाओ एंड वेरी काम. एंड सर आई डोंट नो हाउ टू थैंक यू, बट from that constructional video I am looking your other videos, because सर मुझे उस वीडियोस के बाद कुछ ऐसी फीलिंग आई कि मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं रिविजन में आपकी वीडियोस पहले जो आपने डाला होगा इस कई सारे चैप्टर्स का, अगर उससे अगर रिविज़न करूँ तो शायद बहुत अच्छे से बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, प्लस आपकी जो सॉल्यूशंस होती है वो भी एक बहुत ही अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स होती है. देन सब और सर आप जब क्लासेस करवाते हो ना तो ऐसे लगता है कुछ केवीज के टीचर्स ही पढ़ा रहे हैं जो हमारे स्कूल में होती थी. बाद में मुझे पता चला कि सर एक्चुअली यू आर ऑल्सो द केवीज टीचर. एंड आई डोंट नो सर हाउ टू थैंक यू फॉर दिस पर्पज, एंड आई एम थैंकिंग यू फ्रॉम दिस कंसर्न एंड फॉर योर दिस जॉब सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
सुप्रभात. मैं दीनम गुवाहाटी संभाग के अंतर्गत टीजीटी मैथ्स के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ. मैं श्री कुमार स्वामी सर के बारे में इतना कहना चाहूँगी कि इस पेंडेमिक में सर ने अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स के थ्रू स्टूडेंट्स को जो मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवाया है वो काफ़ी सराहनीय है. सर जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ इस पेंडेमिक में अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम कर रहे हैं वो हम टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल है. उनका हार्डवर्क एंड डेडिकेशन हम टीचर्स को भी इतना मोटिवेट करता है कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी इतना हार्डवर्क करें एंड उनके फ्यूचर के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा काम कर सकें. सर के जो ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस हैं वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए एंड इवन टीचर्स के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहे हैं. अगर स्टूडेंट्स को कोई डाउट होता है तो वो उनके वीडियोस के थ्रू इजीली समझ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वीडियोस में इतना डिटेल्स में एंड आपको हर टॉपिक अच्छे से क्लियर करते हैं. एंड उनके जो ब्लॉग्स थे मैंने भी यूज़ किए हैं, जो उनका स्टडी मटेरियल था. तो मेरा जो CBSE में 100% रिजल्ट आया था मेरी क्लास का, सो उसमें सर के ब्लॉग्स के मटेरियल थे उनका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. सो मैं कुमार स्वामी सर को थैंक यू कहना चाहूँगी कि सर आप हमारे लिए एक मोटिवेशन हैं, हम टीचर्स के लिए भी. एंड मैं विश करूँगी कि आप फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काम करते रहें एंड हम टीचर्स को मोटिवेट करते रहें, ताकि हम आप जितना तो नहीं बट हाँ आप जैसा डेडिकेशन एंड हार्डवर्क करना सीख जाएं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए, और ज़्यादा हम उनके लिए हार्डवर्क कर सकें. सो उनके ब्लॉग्स एंड यूट्यूब वीडियोस काफ़ी यूज़फुल रहे हैं. सो मैं फ्यूचर में उनके लिए सक्सेस की विश करती हूँ कि सर आगे भी ऐसे करते रहें एंड आपको हमेशा अपनी हर फील्ड में सक्सेस मिले और आप प्रोग्रेस करें. थैंक यू कुमार सर.
Namaste, I am Kiran, appointed as TGT Maths in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Ochipalam, Ernakulam region. कुमार सर से मैं पहली बार अपने इंडक्शन कोर्स में मिली थी केंद्रीय विद्यालय गच्चीबोली हैदराबाद में। जिस डेडिकेशन के साथ सर हमारे सेशंस ले रहे थे उन सब से मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हुई। That time I observed that sir's teaching is just like a spark that creates the desire to learn in all of us. इंडक्शन के बाद जब मैं अपने स्कूल में आई तो मैंने देखा कि मेरे सीनियर टीचर्स हैं वो बच्चों को कुछ सैम्पल पेपर्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे और बच्चे उन सैम्पल पेपर से प्रैक्टिस कर रहे थे बिफोर बोर्ड एग्जाम। तो मैंने सीनियर टीचर से पूछा कि ये सैम्पल पेपर मैडम कहाँ से मिले, सर कहाँ से मिले। Then they told these are made by Kumar sir. After that I came to know about the YouTube videos, blogs and MNL of Kumar sir. I was really afraid when I was given 10th standard for first time. But all these materials were really helpful for me when I was taking the 10th standard for first time. Because of all these videos and blogs, I was able to give 100% result in 10th class. सर की वीडियोस एंड ब्लॉग्स स्टूडेंट्स को ही हेल्प नहीं करते, दीज आर हेल्पिंग टीचर्स ऑल्सो। सर इज हेल्पिंग टीचर्स दैट हाउ टू डिलीवर अ स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक in class so that maximum output will be there. In this pandemic situation also, sir is every time ready to help us. And here I would like to share my personal experience. When I joined the KV, so I was facing the inspection for first time. I was afraid how to do, what to do. That time मैंने सर को कॉल किया, सर within 1 week inspection will be there in our school. So what to do? So सर ने बोला no need of getting tense, you just keep going as usual. और इतना हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होने के बावजूद भी सर ने मुझे कुछ PPT और लेसन प्लान मेल किए. आफ्टर दैट आई वॉज रिलैक्स्ड. So sir is very helpful, very dedicated and very hard working teachers. Sir, you are example of wonderful teacher. We are learning from you. So in last I would like to say most valuable resource that all teachers have is each other. If we have a guide, a mentor, a motivator like Kumar sir, we can prove, we KV teachers can prove ourselves as a good teacher. Thank you so much sir. Thanks a lot for the help. I wish you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
सभी को नमस्कार. My name is Rekha Bala. I am TGT Mathematics in KV number 5, Jaipur, Rajasthan. And I know Kumar Swami sir since 2009. We met in service course. Since then, I am in touch with him. He is a very, very talented person, and he and I was very much impressed by his knowledge in computers. Even at that time, he used RoboCompass for the construction, and I still remember he delivered a lecture on construction, and his lecture was very, very, very wonderful. And even during lockdown time, I watched his video, and with the help of his videos, I helped my students also, especially 9th and 10th class, and I got a lot of help from him. His videos are worth watching, correct as far as syllabus is concerned, and his way of teaching is excellent, and way of delivering the lecture is also very, very nice. I personally want to thank Kumar Swami sir.
I am Priyanshi, class 10, studying in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli. At first, I would like to thank our maths teacher Mr. Kumar Swami sir for all the efforts and determination put forward, which are very beneficial to us, especially during this time when we are attending classes virtually. I have been using sir's website since class 6th for study material and sample papers. Sir's videos are also very useful as I can revise any topic again. Software applications such as GeoGebra and RoboCompass are also used by sir for better explanation. Sir explains every topic in detail along with many examples and also assigns us with many questions. Whenever we have a doubt, Sir always helps us in clearing them. I would find myself very fortunate to be one of Sir's students. Thank you.
I'm Zaina of grade 10 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli. I would like to thank my maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir, who's been helping us to learn maths in this pandemic season. Since grade 6, he's been my maths teacher. I'm very thankful that I have Kumar Swami sir as my maths teacher who's been helping me in any difficulty. During this pandemic, it's been very hard for any teacher to teach from home. But Kumar Swami sir made it easy by creating a YouTube channel and teaching maths and science for grades 9 and 10. I would like to prefer solving his sample papers before any exam so that the exam would go on easily. For understanding difficult chapters like constructions, sir used GeoGebra, which made constructions easy to learn. Thank you sir for making maths easy and fun to learn.
I, Anshuman Sahu of class 10B, Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad, would like to thank my maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir. Mr. Kumar Swami sir has been my maths teacher since 6th grade. He is one of my favorite because he has his own unique ways and methods to teach us maths. He uses different types of technologies and techniques to make us understand trigonometric and other algebraic concepts. I would always prefer to go through his sample paper before attempting an exam because his sample paper contains questions which are similar to those which comes in the exam. Also, there are some various study materials available on his blog in WordPress. Even during this pandemic, he started making YouTube videos of different maths concepts so that we don't miss out from the syllabus and we can cope up with it. And he uses different types of online resources such as RoboCompass to make us understand constructions and trigonometry. Again, I would like to thank him for his hard work so that we can understand maths easily. Thank you.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर् साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Hello everyone, my name is A. Mokshini Yadav. I studied in class 10 in Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. So now I am going to speak about one of my favorite teachers who is none other than Shri Kumar Swami sir. Firstly, before I speak about him, I would like to talk about the subject that he taught us, that is mathematics. Generally, many students don't like or hate mathematics, and there are various reasons for their hatred towards this subject. And the same was the case with our class too. But since Kumar sir started teaching in our class, many students showed and took interest into this subject. If someone asks me to describe about Kumar sir, there are so many adjectives that can be used to describe him and his personality. Some of them are awesome, caring, friendly, motivating, inspiring, encouraging, energetic, flexible, humble, open, patient, etc. He made maths easy and simple and also interesting by explaining the concepts using daily life situations as examples and made us understand the concepts more clearly. He also gave us shortcuts to solve the problems as well as improve our calculation speed. He always worked out the problems on the board step by step. That made it easier to learn and understand the problem within the class itself. He gave us so many practice questions from every chapter that made us understand what concept to be used in a given question. He clarified each and every doubt of all the students, whether it be an easy one or a difficult one. He even clarified doubts in science too, especially physics. He conducted classes even during the vacations and the weekends to clarify our doubts, to revise the chapters, and even to conduct tests and full sample paper tests for the upcoming board exams. He made us revise the chapters every chapter 2 to 3 times. That strengthened our confidence levels. He even took so many class tests and nearly 10 full sample paper tests for standard and basic mathematics, which improved our time management skills and also helped us to get rid of the exam fear. It also gave us a broader view of the type of questions that were to be asked in the upcoming board exams. As we all know, a picture speaks more than the letters. And also, a picture along with graphics has more impact than the calculations made over the board. Similarly, our sir taught us certain chapters like triangles and circles that consists of theorems and proofs, and even constructions chapter using presentations and visualizers, which proved to be of great help. Our sir made these theorems and their respective proofs simple and easy to understand using visualizer and presentations. He also organized a mathematics exhibition for his 10th class students and encouraged every student to take part in it along with their projects and models that were based on the mathematical concepts. This was a great initiative from his end that made us understand the practical features or aspects of these theorems, concepts, and principles more deeply. He also maintains a blog that consists of sample papers for maths and science for students of classes 6th to 10th. Minimum level material for standard and basic mathematics is also available on his website. Now, what is minimum level material? It's just a question bank that contains key points and formulas of every chapter along with the questions including MCQs. He has also uploaded sample papers for standard and basic mathematics along with the key solutions. And question banks for every class are also available on his website. You can check them all on his website, that is www.kumarsir34.wordpress.com. His diligence is not only appreciated or respected and followed by us, but also by the students and teachers of other schools and several other countries too. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, and the great teacher inspires. I personally feel that Kumar sir is one of the great teachers and has inspired me a lot. All his classes were fun-filled and enthusiastic. He has positively affected our attitude towards maths. He has put so much efforts and has helped students to improve their maths skills. All the above aspects of Shri Kumar Swami sir make him the most favored teacher of our school. And I take pride in giving this testimony for his hard work, commitment and passion to make his students better citizens, better scholars and molding his students towards a healthy future. Thank you.
My warm greetings to everyone. This is Kavya Murli of class 10 from Kendriya Vidyalaya Gachibowli, Hyderabad. This video of mine is just a meager way for me to talk about our maths teacher, Mr. Kumar Swami sir. As a student, I cannot emphasize enough the importance of a great teacher in our lives, but I can definitely say Mr. Kumar Swami sir was one such teacher. His method of teaching was unique and fruitful. He wisely used today's technology for the right purposes. He used visualizers to explain some chapters like constructions. He also used PowerPoint presentations to explain the concepts of similar triangles and many more like that. He conducted many sample paper tests for maths and science, which helped us perform our exams in peace and complete confidence. He organized extra classes excluding school hours to guide, mentor, and coach us to perform well in our exams. He changed the way we looked at the complicated subject mathematics in a positive manner. He did not just inspire us, but he taught us to be good human beings with good moral values. They say the influence of a great teacher can never be erased. Sir's teaching is a blessing to everyone and anyone who he has taught, teaches, and will teach in the future. Sir is a true definition of a great teacher. I thank you so much, sir, for being an amazing teacher to me. Thank you.